how to fix World app restricted account. Here's how it works. You want to load up the World app and you should have access to the app itself. Click on the gear icon in the top right and then you need to select support. Now from here you want to click on the headset icon in the top right and it's going to ask you this. You will click on no, I have a different issue. So right here it's going to transfer us to an agent and it's gonna ask us whether we're having issues with airdrops, votes, invites, verification, and none of these. So you will click on none of these, and once it connects you to an agent, you will explain that your other account is restricted or your main account is restricted, and you will ask them to fix it for you. Now if you can't access this from your phone, you can use your friend's phone and account and just contact them and explain the issue, and they should further assist you. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.